morning, and thank you all for being here today to celebrate the opening of the Middlesex County Public Health Center. I'm Mary Beth Caruso, the Director of Nursing, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all to this special ribbon-cutting ceremony. Days like this only happen with the help of great partners, so I'd like to recognize some of our partners here today. County Commissioners Director Ron Rios, Deputy Director Shanti Nara, County Administrator John Polomina, State Senator Pat Dynegan, and Mayor Brad Cohen. I'd also like to thank the New Jersey Association of County and City Health Officials, particularly Executive Director Linda Brown, for all their support. I have proudly served the county for more than 28 years, and in that time, my team and I have been fortunate to assist thousands of county residents in accessing health care they need. However, the demand for care has grown. This new public health center will help us meet the increasing need, ensuring that essential medical services are accessible to everyone, especially those who are uninsured or unable to afford care. The center is designed to bridge that gap, making sure no resident is left behind. Since opening in June, the Middlesex County Public Health Center has already improved the medical care availability to our residents. From child health care to vital health screenings, administering vaccinations, sexual health services, and our essential tuberculosis control program. We are seeing the positive impacts every day. This center's expanded TB control program is especially critical, given the number of county residents affected by tuberculosis. We are proud to be one of the designated regional centers in the state, authorizing specialized care to those in need. I would personally like to express my gratitude to Joe Krizza, the head of our County Department of Public Safety and Health, to Les Jones, Director of the County Office of Health Services, and of course our dedicated health services team, as well as the Department of Infrastructure Management, the Office of Planning, Office of Marketing and Communications, and the Office of Information Technology, as they were vital to providing services in the new center. Thank you to all of you. Your efforts and commitment to serving our residents has been the driving force behind this center, making an impact and saving lives every day. I especially want to thank the Board of County Commissioners for making this new center a top priority. We couldn't provide these vital services without your support. Thank you. I am now honored to welcome Commissioner Director Rios to the podium to share a few words.
Thank you, Mary Beth. Good morning, everyone. And thank you all for being here today. It's an honor to join you in celebrating the opening of the new Middlesex County Public Health Center. Our county has long recognized that access to health care is not just a service, but a cornerstone of a higher quality of life. It's a simple truth. When people have access to health care, they tend to live healthier, happier lives. Preventative care is essential for maintaining overall health. By focusing on prevention, we have a better chance of reducing the occurrence of chronic diseases, detecting health issues early, and improving health outcomes for all our residents. Since opening in June, our new public health center has already made a significant impact by providing essential services to our residents and improving the County Office of Health Services' ability to offer more comprehensive care. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude and congratulations to the Department of Public Safety and Health and the Office of Health Services, Joe Krizza, Les Jones, Mary Beth Caruso, and their dedicated teams, as well as the other county departments and offices who have worked tirelessly to make the opening of this new facility possible. And I have to just go off script a little bit. This health department, I would challenge any county in the state of New Jersey that can say they have a better health department than ours. Because what I witnessed, and that is an applause line, I witnessed firsthand, none of us, even us older guys, ever witnessed something like the pandemic before in our lives. And your team, all of you, had that whole process of testing and vaccines like nobody else. It was a well-oiled machine. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I really do. And I can't thank you enough. Because a lot of times as elected officials, we get the credit for some things. Of course, we get criticized as well. But we get the credit sometimes. And that's because of you, all of you. And again, I can't thank you enough for how you made that so seamless. It was just unbelievable. Today's ceremony is not just a celebration of our new public health center's opening. It is also a recognition of the vital work our Office of Health Services does every day to serve our residents. We thank them for their exceptional service and unwavering dedication. I also want to extend my gratitude to Mayor Cohen and the East Brunswick community for their support. The strategic location of this facility ensures that it is easily accessible to all residents in need. The support from our local government has been instrumental in bringing this project to fruition. In Middlesex County, we believe deeply in building relationships with our partners in the public and private sectors. It is those relationships that make days like this possible. So I want to thank our partners across all levels of government whose support helped make this new public health center a reality. We would not be celebrating this achievement without them. This new public health center marks a significant milestone in our ongoing efforts to advance public health in Middlesex County. Together, we will continue to work toward creating a more robust and resilient community. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner Director Rios. Now I'd like to invite Deputy Director Nara to the podium.
Good morning, and I'm going to start off by saying you went off script and you stole a bunch of my lines, so this will be a bit shorter. So I am so proud to stand before all of you as we take part in this ribbon cutting ceremony. The county is deeply committed to improving the public health and preventative care by not only providing vital services but routine education. And I commented to Mary Beth, there is a beautiful training center in this facility, and I was asking her about the monitors, and she had indicated there's going to be 3 in the training center, but there's also going to be monitors in the waiting area, because this is not just about treatment facilities or checking and doing preventative health checks. It's also giving us and the staff here and the Department of Health an opportunity to educate everybody who comes through those doors about issues that they could be facing in the future. Public health is a backbone of any thriving society, and our goal is to prevent diseases, promote healthy lifestyles, and ensure that residents have equitable access to the care they need. There are vital services offered here, including child health services, preventative health screenings, and vaccinations. The center also offers tuberculosis control programming and sexual health services for any uninsured and underinsured resident. With this new public health center, we want more residents of Middlesex County, especially in underserved communities, to know that they can get the care they need to improve their health and their family's health. So we know good health is wealth, and it is one of the most important ingredients in anyone's life, and so ultimately their peace of mind. So thank you to the New Jersey Association of County and City Health Officials and the New Jersey Department of Health for $1 million as part of the Enhancing Local Public Health Infrastructure Grant that we received. This funding was critical to this project. And just like has been said before, I especially want to thank Joe Krizza, our department head, Les Jones, the head of public health, and our very own Mary Beth Caruso. And for those of you who don't know, just this past summer when we had Middlesex Day, Mary Beth was given the honor by all of her fellow employees and chosen as Employee of the Year. And her leadership of this department, not only how well things are run, and she works so well with Les and Joe, but her staff loves her. That's what we hear all the time. And I have to tell you, I oversee public health and safety for the county, and you all make me and the rest of the commissioners look so good. I'm so proud, and I go to all different parts of the state, and I hear all the time, how the heck are you guys doing it so well in Middlesex? And I say, first and foremost, it is our county employees. And I tell that to the residents everywhere, that they need to really be thankful that we have a workforce that is so dedicated to the health and well-being of each and every person who lives in this county. So I want to thank you all for coming. I want you all to help us and get out the word. We're going to be doing our campaigns to let everybody know, but word of mouth is always, always the best thing. Talk to your neighbors. Let everybody know that this facility is here, open and ready for business. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Deputy Director Nara. I'd like to invite to the podium East Brunswick Mayor Cohen.
Good morning, everybody, commissioners, and most importantly, all of you here who work to make this healthcare system, this healthcare clinic, work for individuals who don't really have the opportunities and fall into those gaps where they don't have access to the same healthcare that many times the rest of us do. And I am going to be off script because I rarely write any script, and talk really to you as a physician, because that's what I do when I'm not mayor. And I've grown up in the healthcare system. I understand it because I do it every day. And unfortunately, what we have is a health gap in healthcare in this country. And whether you believe it or not, or just see it as a tagline, I'm not going to get political, but this election matters, because that's exactly what's on the ballot this year. These type of facilities that try to bridge those gaps are exactly the things that people are talking about. I am thrilled as the mayor now of the township to welcome this facility here to East Brunswick. We do sit at a very unique cross-section of healthcare. It's one of the things that has always distinguished us. Many of you, I probably would bet, have a doctor here in East Brunswick, somewhere either on Cranberry Road or or Route 18. Because our medical mile has thousands of doctors that have been here, and nestled on either side of Route 18 are now 3 major healthcare systems. In New Brunswick, we have obviously Robert Wood Johnson, the Barnabas Healthcare System, St. Peter's, which will soon be part of the Atlantic Healthcare System. And then on the south side of East Brunswick, we have Old Bridge Regional, which is part of the Hackensack Meridian Healthcare System. So we have become a real center of healthcare excellence. So we're thrilled to have the county here, where we will do everything we possibly can to make things easy and accessible to residents from throughout the county. I know that that is the goal of the county as well. And I wish the facility much success, and that success falls on the backs of those of you here who work this every day and know exactly what I'm talking about. So thank you to each and every one of you.
Thank you, Mayor Cohen. So are we ready? Now is the moment we're all been waiting for. I'd like to invite Director Rios, Deputy Director Nara, Mayor Cohen, John Polomina, Pat Dynagan, and, oh, okay. Pat Dynagan, would you like to say a few words?
Now, there's obviously there's not. All I'm going to say is thank you, but this isn't a coincidence. This isn't by accident. This is because of dedicated people like Ronnie and Santi who do this, and John Polomina who do this every day. There's a reason. I say this all the time. Anybody drive around Middlesex County and see a house for sale? Within a week, there's 10 cars out front looking to buy that house. There's a reason for that, because we are so fortunate to live in a county that we have leadership that cares. And there's nothing more important than the health of our citizens. So Ronnie, Santi, the mayor, all of you, thank you for what you do. And all of you who every day go to work and save lives. Who on God's name can say that except for the people that are assembled here today? And just thank you for your dedication, and thank you, Middlesex County, for always being there for our residents.